Practice set questions. Number 1, 9 to the power 3 times 27 square equals to 3 to the power 9. Here base is 3, here base 27 and here base 9. But we have to make similar base. How? This 9 we can write 3 square and here is times 3 times 27 we can write 3 cube and times 2 equals to 3 to the power n. Then 3 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 6 equals to 3 to the power n. Here base are same. We know once base are same, like a to the power n times a to the power m, in product power will be at, it means a to the power n plus m. So we can write 3 to the power 6 plus 6 equals to here 3 to the power n. Here is 3 to the power 6 plus 6 is a 12 equals to 3 to the power n. And finally we can write here base are same. We also know once base are same, like a to the power m equals to a to the power n, that time power will be equal, so m equals to n, right? Here also 12 equals to n, it means n equals to 12 and this is our answer. Number 2, x to the power minus 3 equals to 1 divide 8. We have to find out x equals to what. So it's a similar thing. First, here is x to the power 1 by 3, it will be unchanged. 1 divided this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3, right? Then x to the power minus 3, and as per negative exponent we can write 2 to the power minus 3, because we know a to the power minus n equals to 1 by a to the power n. Now look, here power are equal, which is minus 3 and minus 3. So we can write x equals to 2. It means a to the power m and b to the power m, once base are same, that time power will be equal. Similar, once power are same, that time base will be equal, it means a equals to b. So our answer is x equals to 2. Very simple. Number 3, 4 to the power minus a equals to 64. Look, here is nothing is similar or same. So here 4 to the power minus a and this 64 we can write 4 to the power 3. Okay, now look, base are same. This case we can write minus a equals to 3. So finally once we multiply both side by minus 1, it will be a equals to minus 3 and this is our answer. Okay, so after this, look, this is a MCQ. 4 to the power minus a equals to 64. We have to find out a equals to what. We already get the result, which is minus 3, and this is number D. Number 4, 5 root 8 plus 7 root 32. We have to find out the simplification value. So let's find out. So first, here 5 root 8 plus 7 root 32, we have find out the perfect square. Once we want to simplify any square root, we have to find out perfect square. Like here is 5 and this root 8 we can write 4 times 2. Okay, so 4 is a perfect square. Why we need this one? We will discuss right now. 7 root this 32 we can write 16 times 2. Okay, so 16 is a perfect square. Now look, here is 5 times this root 4 times root 2 plus 7 root 16 times root 2 we can write. How? Because we know root AB, we can write root A times root B. I am trying to solve everything step by step. Now look, here is 5 will be unchanged times root 4, it means 2 times root 2 plus 7 root 16, it will be what? 4 and times root 2. Now look, here is 5 times 2 is a 10 and root 2 plus 7 times 4 is a 28 and root 2. Now look, root, here is 10 root 2 and 28 root 2, it will be what? 38 root 2. So which number? Look, here is 38 root 2, it's a number B. Our answer is 38 root 2. Very simple. Number 5, we can write in here 5 4 root 18 plus, sorry, here is times 11 root 12. We have to find out the value. So this one also we have to find out factorization. How? We have to find out perfect square. How? Look, 4, this 18 we can write 9 times 2 and here is times, here is 11, right? Here is 11. So 11 and root, this root 12 we can write 4 times 3. Then step by step we try to solve this one. First 4 times root 9 and here is root 2 times 11 times here is root 4 times root 3. Then here is 4 and 11, it will be 44 times root 9, it will be 3 times root 2 times here is root 4, it will be 2 and times root 3. Now look, 44 times 3 and times 2, it will be 264 times here root 2 and root 3, it will be root 6. It means we can write like this way, 264 root 6. So where is our answer? 264 root 6. It's our answer. So this is what? Number C. Very simple. So thank you very much. No mood today. This video I am trying to solve 5 practice math for set preparation. It's very important. You know, if you make practice at home smoothly every day, your exam will good. So don't neglect your time. Math Jeep, I'm trying to post every day, almost every day, math, IGCSE or different type of math. I wish this kinds of math will help your examination. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.